So we got our travel buddy for the coming months, which is a little truck. And Byron just picked it up today. And I'm at the ferry building now because I just came home from work and he's coming to pick me up with our new truck. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I see him. Hi! Oh. How does it feel?
Well, it's good.
Yeah?
Nice, man. Gonna leave before we get it.
Hi everybody en hallo lieve familie als jullie aan het kijken zijn. So we are moving into our truck and we decided to call our truck Brutus because I think he looks like an old English bulldog. Yeah, so that's decided. So yeah, we're moving into him soon and now we're kind of in the process of going through our stuff to see what we can take and what we cannot take, because we live in a small cabin now, but still we're moving into a way smaller space, and I'm actually really excited for that process because it makes you think about all the items that you take, because everything needs to serve a purpose, because you just don't have the space to take things that don't have a purpose. So then also everything you do have will have way more value because you don't have a lot. So it is kind of a minimalistic lifestyle, and I'm really excited to go back to that because I noticed living close to a city that it's so easy to consume even if you don't want to, but you have everything so close and you can get anything you can think of. And I don't like consumerism, and I'm really happy to step away from that again and to not accumulate more things and to just live life for the coming months with the things that we have and use everything that we have. So yeah, that's kind of what we're doing now. So we're taking little steps to start to move in, and yeah, that's really exciting. So this is the truck, the inside. Yeah, so here we have our bed. This is going to be the quickest house tour ever. But this is our bed. We have some fishing gear, and that is our little kitchen area. And there's a shower, so because that door can open completely, and then we can shower outside. So that's really cool. And I'm just going to climb in. Yeah, so we still have to move in everything and to make it nice and to move in our stuff. So now I'm in the process of cleaning. So I just emptied this one. So here I have to clean this, and then I have to put in some more of our stuff, and then I hope that there we will have enough room to put the food also, so that we can put everything kitchen related in this little cabinet. I hope. And then here, this is our fridge. It's like a box, and this will be our tiny fridge, so that's cool. So we also have that. And then for storage, everything will basically be under the bed, and then there's one box on the side there of the van. So yeah. It's going to be really minimalistic. That's indeed why we have to get rid of quite some stuff, or make sure at least that we not take too much into the van, because there's not a lot of space. But I think it's going to be okay. And then at least all the stuff that we will have here, we will use a lot. And then here I'm going to yeah, put some other kitchen stuff. I just emptied everything so that I can clean it. So in the next 2 days I'm planning to clean everything in here and also to remove all the stuff under the bed, because I think there are some tools and our gas to cook and stuff like that. So we will remove everything also to clean, and that is also going to be the main space to put our clothes and our outdoor gear. So we have to make some space for that. And then I also want to put some things on the wall and kind of make it our home. So I'm also going to show you that later, how it turns out. Yeah, because now we're really still in the beginning phase of making it ready to be our home in a few days. So it's going really quick, so I think I really have to get going with getting this truck ready. So we clean up our cabin. So this was the bedroom, and then we had a little bathroom there with a toilet and a shower, and then this was the bed, and then the living room. So very small and cozy, but yeah, it was a really lovely cabin.
The calendar, do you leave it here?
Do you want to take it? No? Okay. Especially this view was really special also.
Comunque ti mando un messaggio.
This is our home now. I'm really excited. So we just had the first night in our truck, which was really nice. We are here at the water in a little spot. There were also 2 other vans, so yeah, that was really cool. And yeah, it was a really good first night. And now today we're still in Waiheke, and there's this place in Waiheke where there are a lot of roosters, because one day somebody started bringing a rooster there because they didn't want it anymore, and then somebody else did it too, and then somebody else did it too. So now there's this place in a park where there are a lot of roosters because they're just dumped by their families, which is really sad. And volunteers come there to feed the roosters. So I'm going today too, and I bought some cabbage. So I'm going to the roosters and feed them some cabbage. So I'm really excited for that. And yeah, I'm really excited for living in a truck for the coming months. Yeah, there was a really angry bird there. But yeah, I do notice we do have to kind of fix our stuff still a little bit, because now we moved it up from the cabin into the truck, but it's a bit too full. Like, we do have space to walk around, but it's still a bit too full, so we're going to
Yeah, so make sure that we have a little bit less stuff for the coming months to live with. So yeah, and I think that's all. I already noticed that whenever we're parked with a truck somewhere, a lot of people come talk to us because he's kind of a special thing. So that's really cool. So we make a lot of friends actually, or yeah, we meet a lot of strangers just by driving the truck and having it as our house. So I think that's really nice. Yeah, and it's beautiful today. It looks beautiful. Byron is still asleep, so I thought I'd just go out and go for a little walk around the water. But yeah, that's it.
This summer I'll be by your side. A wonder that you can't describe. How long will you wait for me? I want you to see what I see. I see you. How I see you.
So I'm just boiling the cabbage because there are also ducks there where the roosters are. And I read on the internet that cabbage is good for both roosters and ducks, but especially ducks, if it's raw, it upsets their tummy. So therefore it's better to boil it first and then it's good for them. So I'm just boiling everything now. And then the plan is that tomorrow I go back and then I will feed them everything. Yes.
I'm looking out, it's really far. I felt a tingle in my heart.
So last night I put the cabbage under the car. Yes. Just to save it for the night, and then now I'm going to bring it to the roosters and the ducks. Hi. Quoi? La nourriture arrive? Oui. All right. Hi. Yeah. They're so sweet. Well, bye Waiki. You've been good to us.